Actually, can we get the egg?
Oh no, we can't get the egg, but let's check. Wait, I'm going to... Oh, there's the nest. Wait, we need to be careful. Okay, the calamansi tree is very thorny. Okay, so the mommy's not here. Okay, so how many eggs? One. Okay, there's four. There's four or five. I can get the count inside. It's getting blue. Oh, four. There's only four. Four eggs.
We get 5.
Five. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, we'll try to get one egg. Okay, let's check.
The
Okay.
egg is so small and cute.
Oh, it's only tiny egg.
I'm gonna take care of it.
No, we need to return it in the nest. The mommy will look for it. Okay?
But why?
Yes, because that's her egg. We need to return.
But I
We only...
like it.
See, it's very small, only very tiny.
Can we check at a flashlight if there's a baby?
Okay, later. Okay? So we need to return it, okay?
Why?
Yes, so it will hatch.
Why is
And
the
so
egg so
gone.
dirty?
Okay?
I think there's a crack.
No. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll say, watch my video.
Watch my video, please.